Downloading data from Agoda can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Create an account. If you don't already have an Agoda account, visit the Agoda website or app and sign up. You will need to provide some personal information and verify your email address. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. This will give you access to your bookings and account information. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings. After logging in, go to your account settings. Look for a section labeled My Bookings or Account Information where you can find your data. Step 4. Select the data you want to download. In account settings, identify the specific data you wish to download, such as booking history, invoices, or personal information. There may be options to export this data. Step 5. Download the data. Follow the prompts to download your selected data. This may involve clicking a download button or receiving an email with the data attached. Ensure you save the file in a secure location. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Agoda. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Agoda's customer support for assistance.